Hi students, now the topic is about extraction. What do you mean by extraction? In this, the data is going to be transformed from different sources or from different application to the data staging area. Staging area in the sense the data will enter into ETL process. The data will be entered into ETL process. Getting the data is transformed from the different sources to the data staging area. Then, what are the stages in this data extraction? We have three stages in this process. Data extraction process is done in three stages. They are data discovery phase, then data analysis phase, and data cleansing phase. Discovery phase. In the discovery phase, in this stage, the data which is relevant for an organization, the data which is relevant for an organization is identified. That means some huge amount of data is generated within an organization on a daily basis. Huge amount of data is generated within this organization, and not all types of data is valuable. So it has to be identified that what data has to be stored in the organization and what data has to be left out, which is not valuable. Generally, this is identified in this phase, that is data discovery phase. What has to be stored and what has to be left. And the selection of the right sources is guided by the end user requirements. Depending on the user requirements, the selection of the data will be done. Then the process of data discovery is never ending. It will never end as changes are taking place in the organization. Every time the changes are going to be done, so this is a never ending process. And further new sources are going to be added to the old sources and they become very redundant. Getting finally, the data discovery phase is used to select the data which is relevant for an organization. Coming to data analysis phase. In this analysis phase, this is the second stage in data extraction process, which in which the data is going to be analyzed for its quality. Here it is going to check the quality of the data which has been selected in data discovery phase. Quality of the data, and the data needs to be checked for its accuracy, reliability, consistency, then appropriateness and interpretation. These things we have to check in that particular data for its quality. And the errors are spotted in this data analysis phase. These errors can be like wrong entries or incorrect entries or blank entries or duplicate entries. All these data can corrupt the original data. In this way, the data can be analyzed in this data analysis phase. The next one is data cleansing phase. In the cleansing phase, whatever the errors are identified in this particular analysis phase, that errors that have been spotted in the data analysis phase has to be cleaned in this data cleansing phase. In this phase, the corrupted data is either eliminated, the corrupted data, that means the errors are eliminated or corrected so that the data will be accurate and compatible. And the data cleansing can be done both manually or automatically. And cleansing can be done in three ways. They are Cleansing can be done in three ways. They are audit, second one is filter, third one is correct. In these three ways, the data cleansing phase will be performed. First one is audit. In this compares the data against the rules what we have mentioned in selecting the data. It compares the data what has been stored in data warehouse with the rules, against the rules, and if the data is violating the rules, it does not fix any problem, just eliminate the data. Second one is filter. It also compares the data against the rules but removes the data which violates the rules. It removes the data, it ignores the data, it removes the data. The next one is correct. In this, if the data is violating the rules, then the data will be corrected. What the data has been violated, the data will be corrected. Getting in data cleansing phase, we have three ways, that is audit, filter and correct. If the data is violating the rules, then the data will be ignored. Then in filter phase, if the data is violating the rules, it will be eliminated. Then in correct, the data will be corrected. These are the three stages in which the data extraction process is done. They are data discovery phase, data analysis phase and data cleansing phase. Then we have types of extraction. We have different types of extraction, like depending on the periodic basis, the data can be extracted on a daily basis, weekly basis and monthly basis. Getting then depending on the person who initiates the process of extraction, the extraction process is divided into, if the user is going to extract, it is user extraction. If the administrator is extracting, this is administrator extraction. Or a particular event, depending on a particular event the data has to be extracted, then it is event extraction. Then depending on the regularity of updation, basis of updation, the data extraction can be divided into full extraction process and incremental extraction process, two types. In full extraction process, during extraction, changes are not considered. But in incremental extraction, the updations done on the data will be updated regularly. Whatever the changes are done, they are updated regularly. Depending on updation process, the extractions are divided into full extraction and incremental extraction. Then, based on technique of extraction, it is divided into one process, that is change data capture. The process is change data capture. Under this, we have this method uses synchronous and asynchronous tools. Basis of technique, on the basis of technique used, it uses, this method uses synchronous and asynchronous tools. And this synchronous tool, whenever the changes are done, the changes are captured, like when we insert some data into the data warehouse or we delete the data from the data warehouse, that changes will be captured by synchronous tools. And if the data changes are done on redo file of the database, then asynchronous tools will capture the changes, and this file records all the changes that have been done to the database. Redo file will record all the changes. Getting, these are the types of extraction. Depending on periodic basis, daily, weekly, monthly extraction will be done. Depending on the person who initiates the process of extraction, it is divided into user extraction, administrator extraction and event extraction. And depending on the updation process, it is divided into full extraction and incremental extraction. And depending on the basis of technique, it is divided into change data capture, in which it uses synchronous and asynchronous tools. Hope you all understood about extraction process. Thank you.